To invite someone to Solar-Planit, go to Invite Colleagues. Here you can enter an email, the first name and the surname of the person you want to invite. After that, an automatic email will be sent to the person, which includes an invitation link. This link will lead to the creation of the profile, where already basic information like the group name, company name, address and so on are pre-filled. So the new user only has to set a new password. After this step, another email will be sent to confirm the membership. Only after this step, this person will be an active member in the company. It is also possible that the administrator of the group activates the member after. The administrator of a group is the person who logs in first in Solar-Planit under the specific company name. As administrator, it is possible to manage all the members in the group. Members without a checked active member box are users without a confirmed group membership. This means that this person cannot see shared projects or share projects with other members. To now confirm this member, the checkmark at active member needs to be checked by the administrator. If this new person also needs to be an administrator, you can also set the checkbox at admin. As admin, it is also possible to change the group information. Here, for example, you can set a logo, which can also be seen in the offer.